BJP has approached the Election Commission against Congress MP Rahul Gandhi. Union Minister for Petroleum and Natural Gas Hardeep Singh Puri has claimed that Rahul Gandhi said objectionable things at India Bloc rally yesterday. He said that Rahul termed elections fixed match and also targeted the EVM. Taking pot shots at the Congressian, the Union Minister further said that the remarks are a result of his frustration as his alliance is in trouble. Listen in.
श्री राहुल गांधी जी ने कई ऐसी बातें की जो अपने आप में बहुत ऑब्जेक्शनेबल है और इनकी अगर इम्प्लीकेशंस देखिए जो उन्होंने कहा वो और भी सीरियस है। उन्होंने कहा कि ये फिक्स्ड मैच है, इंडिया घमंडिया अलायंस वो टूटती जा रही है, कई पार्टियां उनको छोड़ गई हैं, तो फ्रस्ट्रेशन एक तरफ, पर एक रिकॉग्नाइज्ड पॉलिटिकल पार्टी अपने ऑफिशियल हैंडल से ऐसी बात करे या उनके जो नेता हैं वो ऐसे आरोप लगाए जो बिल्कुल विदाउट बेसिस हैं। हमने इलेक्शन कमीशन के सामने ये बात रखी और हमने उनसे कहा कि ये नोटिस वाली बात नहीं है, इस पे तो अब सख्त कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
Rishabh, my colleague, joins me for the latest. Rishabh, good afternoon. Clearly, those comments have put Rahul Gandhi in the dock now.
Well, the BJP has approached the Election Commission of India complaining against Rahul Gandhi's statement that he made at the India rally at Ramlila Maidan on Sunday, where he went on to say that the way this government is functioning is not correct. The constitution is in danger. The country is in danger if BJP comes back to power. Remember, this rally was happening in support of Arvind Kejriwal, who is right now in judicial custody after the Delhi Rausawini court has granted him 14-day judicial custody. But the BJP believe that such statements coming in from senior political leader is not in the good taste of election, and hence they have approached the Election Commission of India. Remains to be seen whether Election Commission of India will take action or not. But for now, a prima facie case has been made against Rahul Gandhi by BJP, and they have approached the election watchdogs.